welcome back to my channel. So my hair has been straight for 3 weeks now and it's finally time to wash it. So I'm getting ready to go to New Orleans tomorrow and I want to install these clip-ins that I got from CurlsQueen because it is humid out there and ain't no way. It's barely surviving out here, okay? It did good. So I'm about to get in the shower, wash my hair, and then I want to install these clip-ins. Let me just see how long they are. So they're the seamless ones. This is heavy. Okay, so these are 24 inches. So I don't think I've ever had clip-ins that long, so I'm excited for them. I want to co-wash these, and then I'm going to wash my hair and then install them. So to wash the hair, I just went in with my LovelyBees co-wash, and then I gave it a nice rinse, and you can see that it elongated the hair. Like, it looks like it's 24 inches now. It doesn't look how short it did when I first took it out of the box. And then this is my hair freshly washed with the K18 products, and I have the leave-in and then I'm going to use my RevAir to blow dry it, but this full maintenance video will be up after this one. So nice and blow dry. Now I can braid it up. So I think last time I had it like a weave, like I had like the U and just a little bit of edges, but I think I'm going to leave more edges out this time because I can move the clips around. Where's my other comb? Okay, so this is how I sectioned it off. So this, all of this is going to be braided. This is leave out, and then this is leave out. Oh, arms hurt so fucking bad. So my arms was on fire, but we got the hair all braided up, and then I divided those into 2 sections and braided it together to give me 2 braids, and then crisscrossed it and sewed it up with needle and thread, and then I'm just going to put the clip-ins right on top of it. So it came with 10 clip-ins total. You get 2 with 5 clips, 2 with 4 clips, 2 with 3 clips, and then 4 with 2 clips, and then I cut the ones that had the 2 clips. I cut them in half so I can like put them in like individual tiny pieces in the front. But yeah, I'm just using my LovelyBees curl cream and my LovelyBees leave-in with water on the clips. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this all over and make my way all the way to the top. I never had nobody do me like that. So these clip-ins are so full, y'all. Like, they definitely have some weight to them, and I didn't get any shedding. Like, the shedding was barely anything, like when I washed it and when I was styling it. But when I made my way to the top of my head, I started to open up my leave out so that I can bring the clip-ins closer to my hairline, if that makes sense, so that I wouldn't have like my short hair in the front and then the long clip-ins in the back. So that's what I'm doing right here, still adding the same products, my LovelyBees leave-in and my LovelyBees curl cream. And y'all, my voice is gone because this is being recorded after New Orleans.
Every time I think about you, when you ride, when you call, when you come out, your love is amazing to me. I can't wait till I see you. I wanna be with you again. And every time you're out on the road, I'll make a trip. And whenever I'm doing a show, don't you forget that I'm your main chick. Who's not the danger? One and the same chick, the one you can hang with. Feelings, so deep in my feelings. No saying you like me.
So this is one of my favorite ways to wear clip-ins, like braiding the middle of my head down and then installing them on top, because one, you don't have to worry about blending your natural hair with it for the most part. Literally just your leave out is all you have to worry about. 2, you can sleep in them without them tugging and pulling on your roots and stuff like that because your hair is braided down, so it has something to anchor onto. If anything, you only have to worry about the ones in the front. I slept in them. It's been like 5 days, y'all, and I still have them, maybe 6 days, and I still have them in the same spot. They didn't tug or anything like that, but you can take those in and out, and that'll be a quick install. Like, you don't have to worry about
reinstalling them every single morning. And then 3, you can switch them in and out. So I'll go back and forth between my straight ones and my curly ones, especially with the straight ones. I don't have to worry about damaging all of my hair. I just literally have to worry about protecting my leave out, if anything, and I can still put my wigs on top of this braid down. So yeah, this is one of my favorite ways. And that's me cutting one of the small ones in the front into 2 pieces, because these are like plastic, so sometimes they could bend a little bit weird, especially when you get to the top. If you have thin hair like me, then you have to worry about kind of camouflaging it. Well, when my hair dry, it's fine, but when it's wet, like it be peeking through, or if it's straight, it peeks through. So if I cut them, then I can position them better without them bending up, if that makes sense.
Okay, so I'm all done. I just have to take my braids out in the back. So I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's completely dry. But this is it wet. I love it. And yeah, so I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'll come back and show you guys if it grew or if it stayed pretty much elongated, and if my curls like fuzzed up or anything. But this is it so far. Okay guys, so it is after midnight and my hair is 100% dry. This is what it looks like. So it stayed pretty long, but it did get fuller. So I think in the morning, or not in the morning because I have to be up at 4, but I think I'm going to do a side part. So that's why I left so much hair out in the front, so that I can switch my part up. But I think I want to do like, I think a side part situation would be cute. So I think I want to switch my parts, so I have to move my clips around. But I have all the clip-ins in except for one clip-in, but I still think I'm gonna take it with me because I might like cut it up and put it in different pieces. I mean, in different spots. But this is it. Look how cute the ends curled. They're still so soft. And I love that they're not, like a lot of clip-ins have that weird like red undertone. These don't have that red undertone. Like they're like a natural black without the redness. So I like that a lot. But this is them. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow when I get to New Orleans.
So it is the next night, you guys, and I made it to New Orleans, and this is what the hair looks like, completely dry. I did cut it a little bit in the front, and I did not do a good job on that side, so I need to even it out. But this is what it looks like. Super full, still super soft, and I just put it in a low ponytail and in a bonnet to go to sleep.
My anxiety.